We're here in New Smyrna Beach, and there's a Bob Ross art workshop and gallery. So we're gonna go in and see if we can find a couple of his paintings. Let's go check it out. The Bob Ross Art Workshop and Gallery, right there. Look at the cool little art sign that looks like a little paint palette. So inside, all of the top row are Bob's original paintings, and they're labeled with the season there, and the episode there. So you could go look at season 19, episode 6, Waterfall in the Woods. Here's some more. Some more. Then they're playing Bob Ross up here. They have a few things you can buy. And then back here, the big one's also his. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Look at the signature on there. And this is also a paint workshop. You can come in here and learn how to paint some different scenery. These bottom ones were painted by Annette, which was his business partner. And then a Bob Ross rug right at the entry. Got a Bob Ross cutout right here. Since it's a Bob Ross kind of day, we are at Woodlawn Memorial Cemetery just outside of Orlando is where he's buried. So here is Bob Ross's grave. We all loved watching Bob Ross, so this is kind of unreal to be standing here. But as you can see, people left some art and a lot of little memory items like some paintbrushes and stuff, but there it is. We actually have a 1995 penny here, and that was, he died in 1995, so we're gonna leave it right here with all the other pennies. Here we go. All right, so that was our time out for the Bob Ross Workshop and Gallery. It was really cool to be able to see all of his paintings rather, the originals, hanging on the wall there. The lady inside said he started this studio back in 1992 or 1994, and they still operate, so it's pretty cool stuff. But if you're ever in the New Smyrna area, check out the Bob Ross Workshop and Gallery. That does it for today. Thanks for watching.